A few days ago, Facebook shared a photo of me from 14 years ago. I was like, wow, okay, time flies. But one thing I noticed from today's pictures is that I have in common, even though I still kind of look the same, but I'm still wearing my pearls. And it's a coincidence that this came up because I went thrifting over the weekend, and I'm going to explain to you why I brought this up. And it put a smile on my face. My name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. And as always, I'm glad you're here. It wasn't my intention to go thrifting, but however, since I was going to do the marketing for my dinner for Thursday, I decided to pop into one of my favorite stores to see what they had. And of course, look at the same, the artwork, the frames, and just other stuff that they may have around. And these frames that they had a bunch of these. It was like a hotel clear out if you ask me, but these frames had that kind of burlwood look on them, and I thought they were very, very nice to have. And they were only $5 each for these large frames. So again, if you're out looking for frames for your artwork, do not hesitate to go to the thrift stores. And of course, it's that time of year where people are out looking for Christmas stuff. They had these boxes of mugs that had never been used, and I thought, those are interesting. And they were only $1.50 for the box of 4, and all these decorations and ornaments. It's just so much of it out there that you can pick through. Instead of, you can't even get cheaper at the dollar store, because this whole bag of those little ribbons and stuff, it's like $1 for all of them, for the whole box. And all of these things were like 25 cents, 75 cents. And these are items that people constantly are buying over and over again. And I don't decorate for the holidays, but if I did, these would be the places that I go to for all that stuff. Even if you want to use these as wreaths or whatever, that's a good idea to use those for that kind of a project. But anyway, just thought I'd drop in that comment. But anyway, back to these frames. They are really, really nice frames, but yeah, not bad for the price. And then I saw this album from Happy Days. I was shocked. I didn't know this type of album existed. And I thought this was pretty interesting. But yeah, they didn't have anything for me. But I always look for the albums. And of course, I had to go into the glassware section. And I'm glad I did, because this pair of stemware caught my eye because of the stem and the way the little bubbles on it. So I did buy them, and they were $1 for the pair. So 50 cents a glass, I couldn't beat it. And come to find out, these are by Mikasa, and it's called Pearls, from their line that they created back in 1993, and they discontinued it in 1994. And you can only get these on the secondary market. So the prices range from about $12 for one up to $200 for a set of 4. So I thought these were perfect for a girl that always wear her pearls. I never knew they existed either. So I'm happy that I have that in my collection. And speaking of a collection, I actually used to collect these snack trays. I did sell some of them at the yard sale, but I kept this one set. It's by Fostoria, and I just love this pattern, so I just couldn't bear with getting rid of them. But what I did do was pull them out of my stash, my storage, and I'm going to start using them. Why not? Even though it's for the punch kind of party set, but it had the cup, and I could use the cup as my coffee cup. Why not? And the little snack tray is just big enough, because sometimes in the mornings I don't always want a heavy breakfast, but like today I just decided to go with just some coffee and some fruit and a toasted English muffin for breakfast. And I pulled out my Fostoria and decided to go ahead and use that because, why not? Why am I saving it, right? In my mind, and I'm going to say it quite frankly, life is too short to eat on paper plates at home. I can't tell you how much I don't know. I guess it's the craziness in me that I feel that when you're home and you've done your cooking and you've prepared whatever meal you're preparing, I sit and think and I'm like, why do people are so obsessed with paper plates this day and age when there's so much prettiness to eat off of, right? Call me crazy, but I don't know. But I just think that eating on plates and drinking my coffee in glass and using real utensils are just normal. Not only should be normal, but it should be a thing that you just automatically do instead of grabbing paper plates. But anyway, call it romanticizing your meal or however you want it, but I just think we work hard every day and we deserve to not be wasting money by eating off of something that you have to throw away when there's so much prettiness to eat on after we took our time to prepare whatever it is we're preparing for the nourishment of our bodies, to waste it on such trash. Don't shoot me though. Such is life, and again, that was my own personal opinion, and if you're using paper plates and you like it, then that's fine for you too. And anyway, I just had to say that because it just boggled my mind when I kept constantly seeing it all the time. Everybody showing their food on the internet, and I'm like, why are you cooking? And don't you deserve to eat off of something more finer than that? Yeah. But anyway, I love when the sunshine comes through and it just beams in on my plants. It just makes it look like they're giving my plants the nourishment that they need. And when I catch it, I like to share the moments. So that's what I'm kind of doing. And plus, they are looking so healthy now. Also, what I found in storage were these tassels that I had gotten a few years ago when a fabric store was going out of business. And I saw the little bell on them. I said, well, you know what? I'm going to pull those out and hang them on the door for door, accessory. And I'm glad I did, because why keep them stashed away? And also in this bathroom, although I love this cheetah rug in there, I just kind of found something that I thought might look a little bit better. So yeah, when I was looking for a mat for my bathroom, I came across this other tiger one. And look at this mat. This caught my eye and I love it. Just when I thought my little walk on the wild side couldn't get any wilder, I think it just did. And now the cheetah one can go back to where I snagged it from, and I'm gonna relish in the look of this new rug in here. Well, it's actually a bath mat, so it belongs in the bathroom. The other one was just a area rug. So between the bath mat and the tassels, this bathroom got a very inexpensive refresh, because the bath mat was only I think it was $27, $26, something like that. But yeah, and I'm happy. So I'm going to dress my table for Thursday's dinner, and this is last year's, but I'm going to do the same thing this year, because no matter how good Amazon makes this look all attractive, There's no way, no rhyme or reason that I would ever serve my guests on paper plates for Thanksgiving. You can look at my video on using fine china. I'll drop that link in the description box. And I wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. Or happy National Thursday family dinner, whichever you want to call it. But let's all just be thankful for what we have and appreciate, because beauty is being home and loving it. And thank you again for tuning in for another episode. I hope I didn't lose any of my subscribers because of my paper plate rant. But anyway, thank you again for tuning in. And if you did like this video, please drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share. I'll see you again. Bye.